Well, Henry, looks like you're... Well, Henry, you're to go to the works for repairs. Yes, sir, groaned Henry. Henry had gotten into an accident, and he was feeling damaged all over. Don't worry, said Splatter. Me and Dodge will take you to the works easily. Right, Dodge? You're right, Splatter, said Dodge. Now come on, let's go. Yeah, what you said. And the two diesels oiled away. Justin Peter. And Oliver arrived. Oliver, you might want to get out of the way. Chance is coming on that line. Oh, right, yes. Wonder what I should do while Henry's at the works. Besides the Tom hat. Sir, said Peter, do you know the 2 new engines that you ordered? Yeah. What about them? said Sir Tom had. Well, maybe you can have them do Henry's work while he's at the works. Peter, that's not a bad idea, said Sir Tom had. You're welcome, sir, said Peter. As Oliver got out of his way, Peter puffed away with Henry's goods train. Sir Tom had got into Oliver's cab and they set off for the docks. They came to the docks and looked for any engines. They could see one of the. They came to the top of my climbed out. And saw a tender and another engine, and one of the engines. This one was blue, of course. He was the same color as he has the same colored blue as Gordon, and was the same size as Henry's old shape, and had numbers 87546 on the tender. What's your name? asked Sir Tom Hat. Me? My name is 87546. Wait, just a number? I'll call you Croven. Croven? Croven? That's not a bad name, said the engine. Where's the other one? I think that, maybe that crane, that big green crane, the big green crane is unloading him. He just unloaded his tender. And Croven was right. There was the second engine. He was unloaded by Cranky. And was put on the rails. What's your name, Sister Tomhead? Oh, I'm 98462, but you can call me Alfred. Alfred, Sister Tomhead? That's not a bad name at all. Anyway, you two are doing Henry's work until he comes back. Oliver, take me back to Napford, and you're off to do your regular jobs. Yes, sir, said Oliver, and he puffed away, leaving a smirk on the two engines' face.